Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Lids gift card online using your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box appearing at the top, type in www.lids.com and press enter on your keyboard. Click on My Account link at the upper right hand corner and enter your login information in the pop-up box. Start by entering your email address associated with lids.com and head over to the password field. Type in your password, correct, in the text box as well, and click on I'm not a robot. Finally, click on the login button and get logged in to your lids.com account. In order to redeem your gift card online, you'll need to go pick an item and make a purchase. Select the product that you would like to purchase and click on Add to Cart after selecting its size. Once you do that, click on the Checkout button and you'll be able to redeem your gift card in the checkout page. Go ahead and enter your shipping address and other information that it asks of you. If you'd like to pay using one of these options over here, you can simply check on that and enter the information required in order to make a purchase. If you'd like to redeem your gift card with the purchase, click on Apply Gift Card Number on the right hand side of the screen and enter your gift card number that is available at the back of your gift card for Lids. Finally, click on the Apply button in order to redeem your gift card for lids.com. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.